Hello everyone, everything I'm about to explain has been verified by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we'll go step by step. This message basically means that the vehicle's power system detected something unusual and decided to limit itself or shut down for safety. It's not that your Jeep wants to annoy you, it's more like it's saying, wait, something isn't right, better I protect myself before something worse happens. That's why sometimes you notice the engine feels sluggish or the electrical system acts weird just before the warning appears. Now, the most common cause according to mechanics is the battery, both the main and the auxiliary. If either one has unstable voltage, is weak or old, the protection system gets nervous and triggers the message. There are even cases where the batteries are new but the voltage fluctuates too much, and the Jeep interprets that something is wrong. Along those lines, many mechanics recommend checking the fuses and relays related to the charging system or the ESS, also known as the auxiliary power system. Sometimes a blown fuse or a loose relay can make the system think there's a serious problem, and bam, the message pops up for no apparent reason. But it's not all about the battery or fuses. Connectors and wiring also play a big role. Moisture, corrosion, or loose wires can give false readings and trick the system, causing the Jeep to panic and trigger the shutdown warning. That's why many mechanics check all the wiring first before replacing expensive parts. Another point few people know, in some cases the message appears simply due to environmental conditions. Extreme cold, intense heat, or high humidity can make the system perceive a risk and decide to protect itself. It's like the Jeep saying, "It's too cold hot today, I'll take precautions." After driving a bit or letting the system stabilize, the message sometimes goes away on its own. So what should you do before panicking? First, check that the batteries are in good condition and have stable voltage. Second, inspect the fuses and relays in the charging and auxiliary power system. Third, check connectors and wiring for corrosion or looseness. And if the problem persists, it's recommended to run a professional diagnostic with a scanner to see which module or sensor is causing the warning. One important detail, clearing the message doesn't fix anything if the real cause is still there. It's like covering a hole with tape. Eventually, it will come back. But by following these steps, most Jeep owners have been able to get their vehicles back to normal operation without spending a fortune or getting stranded on the road.